Okay, I'm going to borrow some footage from the channel called Big Caddy, and the footage is going to be a drone that will show you the world's tallest symbol of freedom, America's tallest flagpole, located in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. And it's with the Acuity Insurance Company. Now the flagpole is approximately 400 feet tall. At its base, it's 11 feet wide, and at the top of the pole, it's 5.5 feet wide at the top. So let's watch the footage, explore this huge flagpole. Now my thesis is that it's nothing at all about a flag. Okay, that's just the sales job. That's just the presenting reason for having such a structure. The actual usage of the pole is for broadcasting radio frequency into the airwaves. Okay, now what are these radio frequencies? Well, they are the frequencies that we can pick up in our body and decode them. And those frequencies are like signals from our brain telling us what to think, what to do, how to feel, etc. These are psychotronic weapons. Okay? And the one to see on that is Anthony Sutton. A-N-O-T-Y, Anthony Sutton. He has a video on psychotronic weapons. He was a researcher at the Hoover Institute. Very brilliant man. But these flag poles all around us are used as antenna. Now just ask yourself, what would this cost to build this thing? And is it really about displaying a flag? It probably can hardly be seen by people on ground level. You would need binoculars to really get a good glimpse of it. So my contention and my thesis is flagpoles have been weaponized. Yes, weaponized, in that they are used to broadcast radio frequencies into the air, which then control us. Thank you for watching.